Before installation, ensure all fastening bolts are fully loosened. Clean both the coupling inner bores and drive shaft surfaces using a lint-free cloth. Before tightening the bolts, insert the coupling inner bore onto the drive shaft. Perform axial and radial movements off coupling to verify smooth operation. Insert the opposite drive shaft into the coupling bore, performing axial and radial movements of the couplings more to validate unobstructed operations. Adjust the drive shaft insertion length according to the coupling half dimensions. Then preliminarily secure both clamping bolts using a hex key. Determine the torque value based on the clamping bolt specifications. Tighten both bolts with a clamping calibrated torque wrench.